Microsoft Copilot keyboard keys are coming to Windows 11 PCs at CES 2024. Coming soon to a Windows 11 PC near you, a dedicated keyboard key for Microsoft's Copilot AI. The company calls this the first significant change to the Windows PC keyboard in nearly 3 decades, in a blog post ahead of CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Just like how the Windows key serves as a quick way to open up the Windows Start menu, the Copilot key immediately summons Microsoft's AI companion to do your bidding. While it's not a huge surprise to see Copilot manifest itself in the real world, especially given just how much Microsoft has been pushing AI over the past year, it's a bit of a shock to see it happen so quickly. The company claims the Copilot key is another transformative moment in our journey with Windows, where Copilot will be the entry point into the world of AI on the PC. Sure, let's go with that. Microsoft says the Copilot key will appear in new PCs coming this spring. Expect to hear more about them during CES 2024, as well as in future Surface devices. Symbolically, the key is yet another sign that Microsoft thinks of Copilot as an essential element of Windows' future. At this point, it's just as important as the Start menu to the company. It's not hard to imagine a future where the Start menu fuses with Copilot entirely. But for now, baby steps.